Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make stir-fried lobster. This is a very easy recipe. Please stay tuned. You will need one whole lobster chopped into pieces. You could cook them yourself or just buy them cooked. And then you will need about 3 to 4 stems of green onions cut into 2 inches long. You would also need 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. In a heated pan, we will add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, we could add in our minced garlic. And we will stir fry the minced garlic until it becomes nice and golden brown. Once the garlic is nice and golden brown, we will add in our lobster. To steam up the lobster, I would add in about 1/4 cup of water. And then I would add in about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then I will stir fry it until it's nicely incorporated. And let's not forget about the lobster head. After we stir fry for about 5 minutes or so, now we could add in our green onions. After we add our green onions, we will stir fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Our stir-fried lobster is done, guys. Now let's plate it. This stir-fried lobster is very easy to make, and I hope you guys make it for your family or for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.